If your home's been sitting on the market and it's just not selling, your realtor keeps probably telling you to drop the price, but I've got news for you. That's probably not the problem. I'd say the problem is the exposure that your home has. That's the real issue, not enough marketing. Most realtors follow the same 3P strategy, which is to put a sign in the ground, put your home in the MLS, and then pray that it sells. And that's all they do. And that's not a marketing plan. That is just wishful thinking. In this video, I'll show you how to get maximum interest, multiple offers, and featured placement to make sure that you can get your home sold without adjusting the price. Our enhanced marketing program uses AI-driven technology, omni-channel marketing, and also Zillow Showcase enhanced marketing features that will get your home sold for top dollar and very quickly because of the maximum exposure. If your home has been sitting on the market for a long time and it's getting very stressful and the message you keep getting from your realtor is lower the price, don't do it. Tell them you need more exposure. Without omni-channel marketing, AI-driven strategies, Zillow placement, and enhanced marketing strategy, what happens is your listing gets stale, it sits on the market, it gets buried amongst the others. There's nothing to bring it out and stand out amongst anything else. There's no specific targeting to high intent buyers. And what happens is you sit there with no offers, and when you finally get one, it's not very good. And then you feel the financial pressure to go ahead and accept it, which is not what you should do. And that's why I created the enhanced marketing program, which is a smarter way to sell and get your home in front of high intent buyers that are looking to make offers today. The whole idea is to keep your listing top of mind of people so they consistently see it, and making sure that every buyer does see it. And I'll explain to you how we're able to do that. First of all, we come over and we have a one-on-one consultation with you. So that way we can look at all of your home's unique features, whether it be your home, the features in it, the location, the subdivision, the neighborhood, everything possible. And we can collaborate on those items first. And then we take that information, we use AI-driven analytics to find the buyers that are looking for a home just like yours to be able to get you offers immediately. Most realtors just push for price reductions when they're not getting enough attention. We do the exact opposite. Our system analyzes historic buyer data and trends in the market to make sure that we can attach your home to the right kind of high intent buyers to make you the right kind of offers. This leads you to faster offers, more showings, less hassle, less time on market, and no price reductions. Then we put your home everywhere that buyers are looking. Through omni-channel marketing, we engage with buyers through social media, emails, video marketing, text messages, phone calls. When we retarget those people consistently, so no matter where they are, whether they're on Google or Facebook or Instagram, we're able to put your home in front of them and advertise it, which links them back to your home's personalized website. So that way we can capture them as lead and see when they're there and call them at the right time. And that's the most important part. When they engage with your listing, the most important part is to make sure they don't forget about it. And that's exactly how we do that. We keep retargeting them over and over again. So anytime they see your home, they want to click on it, engage with it more, see more information. The more engagements they have with it, the higher likelihood that we have of booking a showing for your home and getting you more offers. On top of that, we have secured premium placement on Zillow Showcase listing. It's an exclusive placement option for real estate companies that are in the 1% of their marketplace, which there's only a few in ours, and that's including myself. This puts your home at the very top of a search of a very, very crowded place of listings with an immense amount of buyers. And so it separates your home from the noise and puts it at the very top, so all buyers are going to see it while on Zillow. This isn't a passive approach. It's a results-driven strategy that gets your home sold for top dollar. And if you list your home with us this month, we'll get you access to these exclusive bonuses. First is our flexible moving program. That means that we'll sell your home for you and you can stay there for up to a year rent-free, which is great value because if you don't know where you're going to go next and you want the time to figure that out, this gives you all that opportunity. The next is probably the most important to people right now, which is sell your home, keep the rate, which means that most people right now have a low interest rate on their home and they struggle with the idea of giving that up because their payments can be much higher. But with our program, Sell Your Home and Keep the Rate, we can get you a rate that's comparable on your new home. Just give us a call and we can explain how. And next is our guaranteed multiple offer program. If you meet with us in just one visit, we'll bring you offers from multiple buyers for you to compare side by side and compare to what it would look like if you were to sell your home on the market and list with a realtor. So if you're not wanting to list with a realtor at this time, this multiple offer strategy is great. It'll get you market value very quickly. And if you are considering listing with a realtor, we can go through what those options look like. Or if you have another realtor in mind and you just want to look at these offers, we can come over and show that to you too. And lastly is our flexible commission program. That means that we can come over and we don't just charge a standard 6% like most other realtors. We have a flexible commission program that you can choose your rate that fits your budget. Now we're willing to bundle all these programs together for you at no additional charge, but we only do this for like 5 clients a month. So make sure you give us a call quickly. You can go to soldwithdave.com to see more. Again, that's soldwithdave.com. And give us a call and set up a time to meet. I look forward to talking to you, and thank you so much for watching.